The crypto market has traditionally been a top option for investors looking for financial growth, but in recent years, two new investing alternatives have opened up fascinating new possibilities for risk-taking investors. While related, cryptocurrencies and metaverse gaming are two separate asset classes with the potential for significant gains but also the risk of total loss. However, there is still a great deal of disagreement regarding whether they're wise investment choices, along with their dangers and benefits. The investment characteristics of cryptocurrencies and the metaverse gaming differ. Today in this exciting video, we'll discuss which is the best investment between Safemoon and Bloktopia. So make sure to stay tuned until the end to find out. One of the more recent cryptocurrencies to enter the market in 2021 was Safemoon. This cryptocurrency initiative is a community-driven strategy to decentralize financial systems. According to Utah Business, there are already more than 2.9 million owners of the currency since its first launch in the first quarter of 2021. It has a maximum supply of 1 quadrillion Safemoon coins and a circulating supply of 562 trillion Safemoon coins. With Safemoon, investors are rewarded for keeping their coins, which helps the system withstand volatility. Reflection, LP acquisition, and burn are its three basic modes of operation. Reflection, also referred to as static rewards, makes an effort to fix the issues with mining rewards. In two different ways, the reward amount is dependent on the volume of transactions, which reduces the pressure on the market from early adopters selling their coins. It promotes token holders to receive larger payouts based on the overall quantity of tokens held. The typical mining rewards are different from the static energy. For instance, because the incentive value diminishes over time with Bitcoin and other tokens, early adopters receive greater benefits for their mining operations than latecomers. As a result, early adopters typically possess more cryptocurrency than new buyers. The static rewards strategy used by Safemoon aims to lessen the issue of early adopters selling their coins in large quantities. Acquisition by LP. The secret sauce of Safemoon, according to the official white paper, is the automatic liquidity pool. This feature establishes a stable pricing floor that benefits both sellers and buyers. The plan is to be stable for the long term. The Safemoon penalty for selling coin is an interesting feature. The smart contract levies a 10% fee for each transaction. Existing holders share the 5% cost, which dissuades investors from selling their tokens. In order to limit the price from moving too much, it is intended to avoid the greater declines when whales plan to sell their tokens later on in the game. Burn manually. Token burning is a procedure that most cryptocurrencies go through to permanently remove tokens from circulation. This procedure aims to promote scarcity and, by extension, value. Some cryptocurrency ventures start out by continuously burning coins. Safemoon, on the other hand, uses manual burns as opposed to continual burns. It is claimed that by using this procedure, long-term investors can apply a favorable burn strategy. Additionally, it enables the public tracking and announcement of the burns, increasing transparency. Safemoon, is it safe? It's reasonable to worry if a new coin is secure given the surrounding excitement. Safemoon is causing some analysts considerably worry. Unlike some other cryptocurrency ideas, Safemoon is just theoretical. Getting people to buy it and raising the price seems to be the sole goal. In the upcoming months, as the wallet becomes more widely used, it might see more consumers. Despite the fact that by October 1st, more than 100,000 Android users had downloaded the wallet through Google Play, according to BSC News, the iOS version had only recently gone live on the App Store and had already risen to position 10 according to Safemoon. It had been downloaded 600,000 times across both platforms by mid-November. The token is intended to discourage selling, as it was already explained. The owners and early investors stand to gain as a result of the price rising over time as a result of this reality. The excitement and hysteria surrounding cryptocurrencies on social media are stoking the flames. Even further, some analysts assert that they think it's a pump-and-dump scheme. Those that purchase the coin early will push it up, enticing others to do the same. The price will inevitably fall back down as a result of their sale or dump of their coins into the unwary population. On reputable exchanges like PancakeSwap, Bitmart, and many others, you may purchase Safemoon. Now let's head on to Bloktopia and see if it can compete with Safemoon. Many enthusiasts have developed an interest in the metaverse since the start of the year. Many refer to the metaverse, which is still mostly an abstract idea, as a virtual environment based on blockchain technology. One of the rapidly growing decentralized metaverses, Bloktopia, was developed to enable people to experience virtual reality using blockchain. According to this theory, the metaverse is a virtual world that people can enter via their desktops or any other device. It is safe to say that Bloktopia is among the few companies working to enable access to a different reality. With the aid of the internet, you can join this new world. Although the internet has been around for a while, opponents assert that the metaverse is a much more decentralized form of the internet. Bloktopia offers virtual reality experiences for crypto fans, according to the official website. This decentralized metaverse is powered by Polygon, which aims to unite users in a fun platform. Users of Bloktopia are referred to as Bloktopians, and the building has more than 20 stories. The portal aims to house all cryptocurrency material in one location. It promises to make it possible for token owners to generate income through online gaming, network development, and real estate. In a similar vein, it works to enhance gamers' user experiences. Every platform must prioritize the user experience. Users can find it difficult to appreciate and utilize the site without it. One of the most well-known applications of blockchain technology is non-fungible tokens. The buying and selling of digital artwork has brought in a lot of money for many artists and creators. Artworks and images seem to be the most prominent sorts of NFT, yet they're not the only ones. Your NFT can be anything that's original to you, such as a photograph, video, song, or other creative work. It is acceptable to say that NFTs are distinct from other tokens like Bitcoin and Ethereum, even if they're recorded on a blockchain. First, the majority of NFTs don't have their own blockchains. Instead, they construct them in platforms like Solana and Ethereum that house smart contracts. The distinctiveness of NFTs is another distinction between the two. When contrasted to fungible tokens like Bitcoin and Ethereum, non-fungible tokens often have lower supply. They gain value quickly as a result of this. These tokens occasionally sell for a mouth-watering price since they're unique. To ensure the smooth functioning of the platform, Bloktopia is also aiming to include NFTs. They're also utilized by many other blockchain platforms to guarantee that users receive rewards for their participation. Being open source and decentralized, it aims to connect the physical and digital worlds. The NFTs will also be on the Polygon blockchain, which might speed up transactions while lowering prices. Bloktopia has a few unique and intriguing elements that set it apart. The platform is still in its infancy though, and it might develop as more people become interested in the metaverse. You should be aware of the following characteristics before playing Bloktopia. Block. Almost all blockchain projects have a native coin that drives their own platforms. Bloktopia's native coin Block is currently relatively affordable to purchase. You may take part in the majority of Bloktopian activities after purchasing some tokens, making you a Bloktopian. Staking pools. Staking pools are becoming more and more popular as a means of generating passive revenue for token holders. A staking pool is when several token owners combine their resources to increase their chances of winning. Bloktopia works to make it easier for users to join staking pools and earn bigger rewards. Reblock. The potential for users to purchase properties on the network and resell them to certain other users is one of Bloktopia's key features. On the majority of metaverse platforms, virtual real estate is becoming the norm. When participants sell their real estate for more money, they also benefit. Users profit from this through passive revenue. Despite the high cost of transactions, it is safe to say that Polygon is a sidechain that aims to make Ethereum more accessible. Transactions are now cheaper and faster because of Polygon. Matic is the native token of the sidechain. Matic is a highly well-liked coin that competes with many other digital assets in the asset market. Additionally, benefiting from Polygon is Block. The website claims that Polygon designed and supported Block, indicating that Block and Matic have a comparable network. Polygon aims to reduce the high transaction costs in order to scale the Ethereum network. As one of the most widely utilized blockchain networks worldwide, Ethereum is extremely active and crowded. Transactions take longer to complete and cost more money to settle when the chain is active. To address this issue, Polygon was created. Its native cryptocurrency Matic is also employed for transaction settlement and staking. It doesn't seem like a wise investment because Safemoon doesn't do anything, and the only hopes for profits in the future is that more people will keep buying. The price has stayed around its present level since last August, except for a jump in October 2021. Given the popularity of its wallet, it might be preparing for a bounce, or the floor might be broken and the price might keep dropping. Nobody's aware. The metaverse is supported by a relatively new platform called Bloktopia. It aspires to serve as a gathering place for crypto enthusiasts to engage and develop as a community. The native token of the network is Block, a cheap cryptocurrency. Although the coin is far from being worth $1, it might someday reach and even surpass that amount. Additionally, major IT companies are starting to take an interest in the metaverse and are prepared to spend millions of dollars to speed up its development. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such amazing content.